Welcome to Road Solver tutorials. In this tutorial, we are going to discuss the quantity reports of pavement layers. All the layers which is we are using in the road, that pavement quantity for the design. Now, we go to the road solver for the pavement volume. When we are calculating that volume, this is same method, but there is a special feature which is available here. This printed section in ground section are only slope and variable station, but this pavement volume, normally if there is a normal slope, only one slope, for the many stations will be coming the same area. So when we are going to print out, there is too many pages is coming same area without any reason. So like that case, only we can print only slope and variables. So where is a changes in the variable or where is a changes in the slope, that area only calculated, that will be only print out to save the papers. This is a reason to make that differentiate between ground and slope and variable section. So now normally we can make it. Now this is 800. I make it the detail for the ground station. You have select these 3 layers. So just to print out. Now it will be showing this all layer together. There is a wearing course and pace course and subgrade. So the area and volume will be calculated based on that one. So same like that case, if you are going to select only the slope and variables, so I can give this just last stations. So just to select that one. So only printing the where the slope and where the variables is it is there, that station only calculate the volumes and print out the reports. Now that will be save your paper, and calculation will be coming the same which you are calculated from the ground section, or you are calculating only for the slope and variables. So this slope and variables will be the 100% of the volume of the pavement layers, because it will be covered with all the where the location changing the grade and changing the width. So that will be included inside the cross sections. But at the time of printing together with the earthwork, that will be normally which is coming in the same like cross sections. But if you are going to print out separate from that pavement only, there is a available for this one. Now the report is generated, so you can check only the where the locations which is it is slope change locations only. So that will be give 34 pages only. So you can get the total quantity of that one. So same like this method. So we can print it in the summary and total also. We can get it from the pavement layers volume reports. Thank you.